and we didn't have a window in the house.
Not a window?
Because they broke them
all
out?
shut down. Oh yeah, they're all shut down.
Oh, I
Tell
haven't
about
heard
on the
that.
side of the house.
Huh?
Tell about how you got to go on the side of the house.
Oh yeah, when I was playing in the backyard, my mom heard the airplanes coming down,
Yeah,
coming
that's
over
definitely
our
changed.
house, and she hollered, "Go next to the house. Go next to the house."
Oh, so they
And
see
so
it.
I did, and then after they were gone, I started playing again. So then the final night, I'm coming
How old
back.
were you? 5?
4.
Okay.
And so we had distant relatives in about 6-kilometer distance, and we had this little wagon with a handle 2 could pull. They put out our belongings, some belongings on that wagon, and tied me way up.
They tied
Tied
you?
me so I
No,
wouldn't
no,
fall
no,
down.
no, no,
Oh,
no.
wow. Because
Well,
you were
why would they tie you high?
So I wouldn't fall down.
Yeah.
And my worst nightmare was when I seen the dead horses and the dead soldiers in the ditch.
I've never heard you say that. You
German
really saw.
soldiers, right?
That is still to this day a terrible,
Well,
terrible,
who killed
terrible.
them? The Nazis or the Americans?
No, the Americans. The Americans.
Because they didn't know who was good or bad.
Well,
No,
they
it's
had
just,
to end the
when they
war.
win the war, they killed whatever they could find.
Right, that's what you do in a war.
No.
Honey,
You try
that's a
not
war.
to kill
That's what
them.
the war is.
Because they were trying to stop Adolf Hitler from doing his horrible thing,
Yeah.
You didn't
and
know who was good and who was bad.
right, and unfortunately, innocent Germans had to
Yeah.
fight in that war, and they
Right.
got killed. They didn't
And
believe
then,
in
but
what
I
Hitler
have
did.
some good things to say too.
Okay.
Then when the time got a little better, we had next door, we lived next door to a school, and they were all American soldiers. And I was playing in the backyard, and I seen something orange under those tankers. I didn't know what it was, so I ran into the house and asked my Mom, there's something orange under the car.
Mhm.
Oh, that's an orange. I have
You've
never seen
had
an orange in my life.
Wow.
So I climbed the fence and got that orange. And the reason they threw it away was because there was a little bit of bad on it. So my mom cut that out and we ate it. And that was a
Oh.
delicatessen to me.
You remember how good it
Yeah.
tasted. Wow.
And then another good thing happened. A lot of houses got evacuated for Americans to live there.
Yeah.
And on this side, this was a beautiful house. They lived a family, a husband and wife and a daughter. A beautiful home. So we took them in because they kicked them out. The Americans kicked them out
Wow.
for them to stay there,
Okay.
like a barracks, but it was a house. So there was this soldier. He was had a gun over his shoulder,
Mm-hmm.
and he was pacing back and forth, to protect that
American.
house where they are.
Oh, yeah.
And he called me. He says, "Come on, little girl." I don't know how I understood him. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure he couldn't speak German. And he said to me, "I get off 1 hour and come back."
Wow.
So I did. And then he got released from another soldier, and he held me by his hand,
Oh,
and he took me into that house, in his bedroom. Nowadays, you would not do
yeah,
that.
you couldn't.
But he bent down and got a box out from underneath the bed,
Wow.
and there were all chocolates and
Oh.
candies that I never in my life seen.
Really?
And he gave me a couple of bags, and I ran home and shared it with my family,
Yeah,
of course,
wow.
So that was a good thing, But
So you shared this with those students?
Grandma, why
Oh,
are you
yeah.
talking?